Imagine having more confidence with every step you take, all because you have a tool that helps you analyze the market and simplifies your decision-making process. Hi, my name is Nathan, I'm 31 years old and I've been in trading for 8 years. During that time, I've studied countless strategies and created an AI bot that helps me analyze the market and make smart decisions. I not only use it myself, but I also teach others how to benefit from this technology. In this video, I'll show you how this bot works and how it can become your personal assistant. Don't worry if you have never traded before. You don't need to understand complicated theories and algorithms. The bot analyzes the market for you, and I'll be right there to guide you through the process. Ready to start using a tool like this for market analysis? Then join my community and let's get started. Before we go any further, I have an exciting opportunity for you, one that could simplify your journey into trading. Have you ever wondered how some traders achieve such strong results? They have automated the process. With an AI bot, decision-making becomes faster and more effective. That's exactly why I created my own bot. And now it helps me analyze the market and make informed decisions based on real-time data. In my private community, I share live trading sessions and teach my students how to use this smart assistant for free. Many people in my community have already seen progress in their trading sessions. Are they professionals? Not at all. The smart assistant does the hard work, and now anyone can use it. If you want to see how it works and try it for yourself, join the community. I'll teach you how to use the bot and guide you, even if you have zero experience in trading. But keep in mind, Sports Unlimited, I personally track each member's progress to make sure they get the support they need. Click the link in the pinned comment and join the community. Let's move forward and learn trading with reliable tools and real support. Now, let's get to the most exciting part. Alright, let's jump into the session. The platform is already open. I will start from 18. My smart assistant has already sent me the set of pairs we'll be working with. Let's select them. Perfect. No need for indicators today. My bot handles everything on its own. Alright, we all set, especially now that the bot has already started analyzing the first pair. Alright, the bot has notified about a possible upward movement. It identified that the market is ready to grow. I agree. I see the price is in the sideways range and is now touching the lower boundary of a range. Support level at 2.9. This is typically where a bounce happens, which makes it a good moment for a potential liftoff. Let's see what happens. Great start. Let's keep going. Looking at the next pair. The bot signals that we should go down. I'm going down. The trend is bearish since the price just made a new low. There is a minor correction happening now, but it seems the bot has detected a reversal pattern, a shooting star, which often signals a continuation of the downtrend. Let's watch. Alright, we're at 65. But soon, my assistant will shift the game again. Moving on to the third pair. Got it? Going down again. I can see the price moving within a channel, and right now it's touching the upper boundary of that channel. This is a classic setup for a move downward, as price often bounces off the upper boundary of the channel within a trend. My assistant nailed the direction again. Let's continue. What do you think so far? Sometimes it all seems too complicated, right? Many people give up when trying something new, not because they can't do it, but because they don't know where to start. They're missing a clear system and solid support. That's why I created a tool that helps analyze large amounts of information. It does the heavy lifting for you, processes data, suggests options, and helps you stay calm. No stress or second guessing. Every day, people use this tool to take confident steps. You don't need to dig through loads of complicated theory. I make it my goal to explain how everything works in simple terms. You get access to the tool, plus a system with built-in support, saving you time. If you want to try something new, now is the time. Click the link in the pinned comment and you'll land in a community where everything is already set up for you to get started. But important, Access is available as long as I'm able to personally help each new member. So if you feel ready to give it a try, don't put it off. Let's keep going. Alright, next pair. Airbot says to go up. Let's do it. I see that after bouncing off a level, the price broke above and then returned to retest it. Then there was some consolidation at the level before price dropped to the next support at 2.96. Now, let's see the result of the bot's decision. Nice! The bot pointed us to the right direction again. Moving on, the bot's analysis is it's calling for another long. Great! I see that the price broke the downtrend with a strong upward impulse. It's now approaching a resistance level, but instead of bouncing off, it's pressing upward. That shows strength from the buyers, and we may see a breakout. Let's observe. Awesome, we're at 460. Now that's sounding more exciting. I've just received new data from the bot. It's recommended to go down. Got it? Let's take action. I see the price broke out of a channel to the upside, but not with the strong impulse we'd expect. It reached a resistance level and formed a doji candle, which shows the uncertainty and a balance of power between buyers and sellers. However, at a resistance level, that often points to a reversal. Let's see. Perfect. Now it's time to place our final trade, especially since my bot is already analyzing the next pair. Alright, the bot says to go down. Let's do that. The price has been consolidating and pressing against the support level. That tells us the market is focused here and there is a good chance it will break through. I expect the support to be broken and the market to continue downward. Excellent! Look at how accurately my bot worked today. Once again, I'm convinced of how effective it is. You've seen it with your own eyes, and this is just a glimpse of what my tool can do. No guessing, no impulsive decisions. I've spent years building this system, refining a structured approach. Now this experience helps me analyze the market, identify key points, and act calmly, step by step. Here's what you need to understand. Confidence in market analysis doesn't come from luck. It comes from discipline and a structured system. And you know what makes this tool so valuable? It's actually not hard to use. No overloaded charts, no complicated interfaces. The logic is simple and intuitive, even for someone who's never used analysis tools before. Right now, members of my community use this tool daily, and I personally help every new member get comfortable with it from the start. Because I know how important it is to have a mentor early on, someone who will point you out key details and helps you avoid mistakes. You can keep watching from the sidelines, or you can try this tool for yourself, at your own pace, no pressure, with my full support. Access to the tool and the community is open as long as I have time to help each new participant. So if you are seeing this video, the opportunity is still there. Click the link in the pinned comment. I will see you inside the community, and I'm confident this will be a valuable step for you. See you soon.